Hello, I thought I'd make a video. I hate taking the privilege of doing this away from you, so I wanted to show you how to do it, and maybe you could jump in and get some of these done. There's quite a few. So I'm in Sign Up Genius right now, and I'm creating a sign up. I called this one Shorecrest Holiday Gift Drive, blah, 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 and this is the one for kindergarten. So I'm going to add you on here. Let me go ahead and do that right now. See if I can figure out how. Let's see. I called it kindergarten. Um, it is not easy to figure out how to add people, but I always do. Let me see if I can add you here. Add members. Okay, now I gotta find your email. You get to see my 1,000,000,000 emails. So copy and where are you? Right here. Just paste your name. That's good enough. All right, so you should get some email that said that you've been added. Now, once you get in here, go to signups, and this is the one. This is the one I did the other day. I actually need to delete it. This is the one I finished and published and have sent out to people. So if you want to, let me just show you what it's supposed to look like. This is what I did. I copied and pasted this. I also made a separate sheet that has the descriptions of the children. I'm not going to do that this time. It took more time than I thought. But anyway, I've got all the names in. You see where it says Callie S2 and so forth? I've got all that done. And I'll show you in a second. What I need you to help me with is adding the things they want. So you add the thing and then you say how many. So let's go there. You go back. I'm just going to hit the back button and hope it takes me there. Yep. Okay, so this kindergarten Shorecrest Holiday Gift Drive is what I want. I want to edit that sign up. Now, I don't need to mess with any of this stuff. You can if you want to. You don't even need to touch it. The theme, I'm just using the same non-denominational theme. There's no date. What I'm working on right now are the slots. So I was able to do these in bulk. Look how many there are. So if I teach at Eckerd College, if I didn't have to go teach tonight, I would spend the evening doing this while watching TV. But I don't, but I have to work, so I feel kind of like time is of the essence, and this is what I was hoping you help me with. So I have Bonnie's document underneath all this stuff. Here's Bonnie's document. I'm on a Mac, so everything looks different. What I did, which I'll do at the very end too, is I'm just making a section that has a description so people can see them immediately. It seems like that's important for the kindergarten folks because a lot of people are new to this idea. And many of them, I think it's fair to say, resent having to buy another thing through Shorecrest. So I wanted the descriptions to be up there so we could melt people's hearts a little bit. Anyway, so there's a description. I did Trinity. Now I want to move on to Serenity. So she's just a baby. And these are suggestions by the caregiver, the guardian ad litem person. So the first thing here in this list is this VTech whatever. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go over here, Serenity, click on that first button, which is the edit button, and then I have to click on this button, edit selected. So it'll show me her name, her ID number, and her age. And I'm just going to paste that VTech thing. She doesn't need more than one, so I'm just going to change that number to 1. All right, so you can see it added it. So I'm going to click on another one. Edit selected. So the next thing is Leapfrog musical blah blah set, and they spelled musical wrong. So we can fix that here. Musical. Musical rainbow tea set. Doesn't need two. Just needs one. So I got that done. Edit. Edit selected. Next thing is Cabbage Patch Baby Doll. Oh good, that's the end of the list. So I'm going to paste that on there. It's important for the dolls to say whether they want black, biracial, white. So this one I think said biracial. Yeah, that's why that's listed on these sheets, because I wondered too. And she only needs one of those. Update. So you can see every time I'm doing that, it adds another one. So do you think you can do that? Like I said, I gotta go teach tonight, so I'm gonna be gone all night, but let me know if this tutorial helps. Every time you do it, it saves it. If you are worried that it's not saving, you can just hit update down at the bottom of the screen a bunch of times, and then it'll get to where you need. But it'll put you right here. Just ignore all that stuff and just go back to slots. All right. Well, I hope that helps. And if this seems like too much work, maybe you could do a few of them. That would be helpful. You know, maybe you take the second half or something. Let me know.